Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lexrope. Today, we're tackling an important safety topic: why you should never cook inside your tent. While camping stoves are essential for preparing meals outdoors, using them inside your tent or any enclosed space can be extremely dangerous. Let's dive into the risks and the safer alternatives to keep you and your family safe on your camping adventures. First things first, why is cooking in your tent such a bad idea? The two main risks are: 1. Fire hazards. Tents are usually made from flammable materials like nylon or polyester. Even flame-resistant fabrics can ignite under certain conditions. A fire in a confined space like a tent can spread rapidly, putting your life at risk. 2. Carbon monoxide poisoning. When you burn fuels like propane, kerosene, or charcoal, they produce carbon monoxide, CO. CO is an odorless, colorless gas that can quickly build up in an enclosed space, causing serious health issues or worse. So, even if the weather takes a turn, cooking inside your tent is just not worth the risk. Now, we get it sometimes the weather can be extreme, or you're in a situation where you feel you have to cook in your tent. While we strongly recommend avoiding this, let's talk about some steps to reduce the risks if you absolutely must cook in a sheltered space. If you're mountaineering or in an extreme emergency, here are a few tips to make cooking safer. 1. Cook in the vestibule. Use the tent's porch or vestibule area instead of the main living space. This gives you some shelter while still allowing better airflow. Make sure the stove is far enough from the tent fabric to avoid accidental contact. 2. Ventilation is key. Keep all vents open and use fans or other tools to circulate air if possible. 3. Be wildlife aware. For example, if you're camping in bear country, never cook or store food inside your tent. The smell can attract unwanted visitors, putting you in danger. We don't really have this issue in the UK. Instead of risking it with a propane or kerosene stove in your tent, consider these safer alternatives if indoor cooking is unavoidable. Canned heat, like sterno, these have a small, controlled flame and emit less heat, making them less risky. Denatured alcohol stoves, clean burning and low risk of gas leaks. Just make sure the stove is cooled before refueling. Electric cookers. If you're in a location with access to electricity, these eliminate the risk of co-poisoning altogether. Meals ready to eat, MREs. No flame required. While not as exciting as a hot meal, they're a great solution for emergencies. Wherever you use your camping stove, here are a few universal safety tips to keep in mind. 1. Set up outdoors. Always cook in an open, well-ventilated area. 2. Choose the right fuel. Avoid charcoal or kerosene indoors due to their high co-emissions. Propane, alcohol, or white gas are better choices. 3. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always use your stove as instructed and check for any damages before use. Camping stoves are an essential part of any outdoor adventure, but safety should always come first. Remember, never cook inside your tent unless it's an absolute emergency, and even then, take every precaution possible. At Lexrope, we want you and your family to stay safe and enjoy the great outdoors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more camping tips and advice. Until next time, happy camping and stay safe out there.